Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can make money from trading a new cryptocurrency coin. Alright, I'm gonna going to show you this coin first, but it will be now your duty to watch this coin carefully and purchase it when it suits you. But before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. And again, for those of you who traded some of the few signals I dropped on my channel 2-3 days ago, I do hope that you make a rational profit. And if you make profits from all that, or you traded that, let me know at the comment section before I proceed. So let's dive into that. I'm going to use Bybit for the sake of these tutorials, because this very coin I'm going to talk about today is launched today, and it will be in a very reasonable way for you to buy today. So let's quickly dive into that without waste of time. So you can see this, come to this place and click on new. The only reason I'm clicking on this new, it is because the coin was launched earlier today. So you click on new. If you click on new, you're going to see a particular coin called TUNA. This TUNA was launched today, and it has done over 2.10 million in the market cap, on its market caps. So let's see. This is the TUNA. This is the current positivity that is having, and it has gone over 1,000 positivity today. Alright, so let's look at this TUNA. This TUNA was launched at 0.01900, which was very poor, and it took a very sharp movement to where? It took a very sharp movement to here, which was from 0.01900 to 0.5. That was a rational one, a very reasonable one. Okay, and it's taking a neutral movement, you can see here, to this very place. So all you just need to do now is to what? Is to watch this movement carefully, and even from here as well, you can purchase your coin from here. But you can also watch this movement carefully, pending when everything normalizes. Then you can just dive into it and see how quick you will be able to double your USDT. Let's assume that if you buy with 500 USD, you may end up with 1000 USD. What I just need you to do is to mark this particular price for now, and after 24 hours or after 12 hours, we can come back and check how does this coin does, or how much does this coin make for us. Okay, its calculation is not fully out yet, because this coin was just launched few hours ago. You can see it was launched today on the 30th around 4 p.m, which was earlier this evening, sorry. Okay, so watch this coin carefully, and you're going to make a reasonable profit for yourself. Okay, and after this trade, we're going to come back to this very place to see how much we have earned. What impressed me mostly, that I really want us to trade this coin again, is because I went to the data. So looking at the data, you can see this coin was launched today, but yet it has a lot of funders. A lot of people invested in this very coin. You can look at this place. This is the total inflow currently. It was more than this before, but this is the current total inflow, and the outflow is this as well, which is a lot of people are also leaving the trade for now. And for people leaving the trade, is giving another people opportunity to invest more in the trade. Okay, so let's look at the feed. If you look at the feed, it's highly bullish. You can see is 90% bullish. It's just 10% that is bearish. Okay, so now let's look at this community insights. You say 1, the dual outbreak liquidity and popularity. TUNA was instantly sold out at launch and quickly topped Solana trending list. Alongside simultaneously listing on Bybit Spot and Convert, traders' FOMO sentiment was ignited, leading to what? A significant surge in liquidity and trading volume. You can look at this carefully. And trading volume over the short term. You can see just within this short term, it surged. It surged a lot and has been a very high liquidity. So the USDT reward pool offered by the platform further strengthened market. It strengthened the market attentions and participation enthusiasm. Okay, you can see this. So this particular coin you've seen here, you can look at it for yourself. It's a very reasonable market you can purchase. Okay, so all you just need to do is to watch this whole process carefully and get something for yourself in the nearest time. Okay, so without waste of time, watch this coin carefully and purchase for yourself. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next class. Bye.